Hello friends, this is Kamila speaking first. I'd like to welcome you to Giggly 511 channel. We are currently in learning process and are hoping to be good soon. Today's video may have a little bit grammatical error, and if you couldn't find it, you should be able to master English very well ahead. Our team will be glad to receive your answer at the comment section as soon as you found it. Feel free to comment below. Enjoy, stay home, stay safe, and see you soon. Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are having a slightly different unboxing video. Why? Because instead of unboxing new items, today we are going to unboxing a few old items, which are my games that I used to play with my sibling. Since I am not quite interested in reading, I figured out one of the ways to make me thinking is to play games. How? This game challenges my brain to think more creatively and to play with strategy. Besides, it also helped me tighten my relationship with my relatives and family. Okay, I think I would like to show you only two games that I used to play with my sibling. This is the first game that I would like to share about. I'm really sorry, the cover has already worn out and what is left is only the content. Basically, this is HIQU Puzzle. It consists of 4 wooden blocks and a really thin book with 100 questions, ta-da! Which are the shapes that we need to form. How to play this? First, you can choose your own stage to play. There are 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and the hardest stage is stage 7. Then you must look carefully, think and do trial and error until you successfully form the shape. Essentially, I already made some researches about the cost. I found a few offers and I can summarize that the price range from 6 ringgit 95 cents to 35 ringgit. There are 3 types of this puzzle. 1. Plain wooden block, 2. Colourful wooden block, and 3. Plastic block. Since I only have wooden block set, I will borrow the clip of someone that have the colourful wooden block. Check it out. Interested to try the puzzle like HIQU Puzzle, but you do not want to buy it, you may try Tangram built at Mathigon first, but I guess it will be a little bit harder. Right, we continue to the next game, which is 100 games. These board games my father bought me in 2016, I guess, when we went to Toys R Us to make my brother's wish come true, that was having a new set of Lego. Around that time, this game only cost around 89 ringgit 90 cents, but just now when I check for the price online, it cost above 100 ringgit. And fortunately, I met a website that offers this for only 50 ringgit. I will put the link below, and if you are interested, you can check the seller. In this box, you will be given an instruction for all 100 games. For board games, you will have chess, checkers, we call it dam haji in Malay, ladder and snacks, and a lot more games that I couldn't memorize it to tell you guys due to the loss of the instructions. What's more interesting, you can play this game with so many people as long as you know how to play it. As the result, you will have the idea for indoor activities to do when you spend time with your family. I think that's all for me, a brief of the two games. For those who still stay with me till the end, I thank you so much. Feel free to give any comments regarding my video or any flaws so that I could improve. Thank you and bye.